Inside, outside, work, or home, Suncast is proud to help you bring your vision to life with a wide variety of sturdy, sustainable, American-made tools and storage solutions so that you can make the most of your space. Made in the USA isn't something we just print on a box. It's a way of life. It means we stand for quality manufacturing, supported by the strength of American workers, and that we are committed to keeping and growing those jobs right here in our local community. It means we source our raw materials from within the United States, and that we manufacture products in a responsible way. Most of all, Made in the USA is a promise to provide reliable products and solutions to all kinds of people all over the country. Suncast, helping you make the most of your space.